Not sure if you can hear that. It's like a million birds in those trees. A week or so ago, I mentioned how to do my wife's truck's oil change, and of course shortly thereafter my truck's oil light came on. So went to go do that, and I stripped the bolt head on the oil pan, rounded it off. I thought I had a standard size bolt there, but it was metric. I don't know, I just assumed that an American truck would have a standard sized head, not metric. But I was wrong. So ended up rounding off the head, ended up having to go get a bolt extractor set last night. That should be what I need to get that bolt out. But now I'm on my way over to the Ford dealer to go get a new bolt for the oil pan, because you don't want to use the same bolt when you finally get it off. So I checked out the prop, how it dried last night, and I actually like it. I attached the body to the legs, and the hips don't seem quite as wide as they did previously when I was just working on them. They kind of look more proportional, but I think once it's dressed, it's probably not going to be too much, so I don't think I'm going to bother actually narrowing the hips. Though I'm still going to use the Great Stuff foam to give them a little bit of an ass, and I would imagine some balance. Why would a manufacturer not put a friggin' 15 millimeter extractor in their set? They go from 10 to 20, but jump from 14 to 16 and don't put a 15 in there. And of course, 15 millimeters is actually what Ford uses. Yep, I'm a mechanic. Got shit all over my face. Despite my having just said before, I'm not going to do this. Turns out I am. I think that's better. This is primarily just to provide a base for the Great Stuff foam to sit in. Just to make sure no foam ends up getting in here, I'll stick that in. Because again, I forgot to charge my battery. I'm recording this on my iPhone. But so what I've done is I've got the neck done on this side anyway, and it looks like it's actually going to hold for the most part. When the other side gets done too, I think it might. The only thing I'm going to do different on this arm is I think I made the wrist here too thick. So I'm going to actually leave it this size and then start with my wrapping it up with the paper and aluminum foil starting about here. I think that's going to be it for tonight. We're getting there. If you like what you see, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments section below if you got any other ideas on how to bring this all together. Thanks for watching. and it's oil pan bolts. The hell? Ugh, you
Seems a little small. And that seems big. Are you f***ing kidding me? Unbelievable. Why the fuck they wouldn't give you a 15 millimeter one? I don't know.